Most people don't realize it, but every single day, they're making choices that silently destroy their heart. The scary part, you might be one of them. Heart disease is the #1 cause of death worldwide, yet 80% of it is preventable. That's right. You have the power to protect your heart, but only if you recognize the habits that are slowly damaging it. Today, we'll uncover the worst daily habits that weaken your heart, and more importantly, how you can fix them before it's too late. Welcome to the Alpha Health, your go-to source for science-backed health tips. If you want to live a longer, stronger, and healthier life, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Now, let's talk about something that many people ignore: heart health. Your heart is the engine of your body, tirelessly pumping blood and oxygen to every organ, every second of the day. But when you fuel it with the wrong habits, you push it towards failure without even realizing it. The good news: it's never too late to change. Let's break down the biggest heart-destroying habits and how to turn them around for a healthier future. Why heart health matters. Your heart does more than just pump blood. It's responsible for keeping you alive and energized. But here's the truth. Millions of people are unknowingly putting their heart at risk every single day. Poor lifestyle choices cause high blood pressure, clogged arteries, and dangerous cholesterol levels, leading to heart attacks and strokes. And the worst part, most heart damage happens silently, without obvious symptoms. That's why it's crucial to understand which habits are hurting your heart before it's too late. The worst habits destroying your heart. One of the biggest culprits behind heart disease is a poor diet. If you're consuming processed foods, sugary snacks, and fast food regularly, you're creating the perfect storm for high cholesterol, inflammation, and arterial blockages. The sugar in sodas, packaged snacks, and desserts spikes blood sugar, leading to insulin resistance and obesity, both of which put tremendous strain on the heart. Excess sodium from processed foods causes high blood pressure, forcing the heart to work harder than it should. But the solution is simple. Switch to whole foods rich in fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats. Foods like avocados, nuts, olive oil, and leafy greens help lower cholesterol and improve circulation, keeping your arteries clear. Another silent heart killer is a sedentary lifestyle. Sitting for hours without movement slows down circulation and leads to stiff arteries and poor heart function. Studies show that people who sit for long periods daily are at a much higher risk of heart attacks and strokes. The heart is a muscle. It needs exercise to stay strong. But here's the good news. Even small daily movements make a huge difference. Walking for just 30 minutes a day significantly lowers your risk of heart disease. Engaging in activities like cycling, swimming, or even dancing keeps your heart active and healthy. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption are two of the worst things you can do to your heart. Smoking introduces harmful chemicals into the bloodstream, reducing oxygen levels and damaging the arteries, which increases the risk of clots. And alcohol. When consumed excessively, it leads to high blood pressure, weight gain, and irregular heart rhythms. The solution? If you smoke, quitting immediately will dramatically reduce your risk. Even after just 1 year, your heart health improves significantly. If you drink, keep it in moderation or replace it with heart-healthy drinks like herbal tea or lemon water. Stress and poor sleep are two major threats that most people underestimate. When stress levels are high, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that raises blood pressure and increases fat storage around your heart. Chronic stress can even lead to irregular heartbeats and long-term artery damage. And if you're not getting at least 7 hours of quality sleep every night, your heart never gets the rest it needs to recover. Poor sleep increases the risk of heart disease, stroke, and high cholesterol. The best way to fix this: manage stress through deep breathing, meditation, or simply unplugging from screens before bed. Prioritizing a proper sleep routine will do wonders for your heart and overall well-being. One of the most dangerous and overlooked heart-destroying habits is ignoring high blood pressure. Known as the silent killer, high blood pressure puts constant strain on your arteries, making them weak and narrow. Over time, this leads to strokes, kidney damage, and heart failure. The worst part, many people don't even know they have it. That's why it's essential to monitor your blood pressure regularly and reduce sodium intake, especially if you eat processed foods often. Incorporating foods rich in potassium, such as bananas, spinach, and oranges, helps balance sodium levels and keep blood pressure stable. Heart, healthy lifestyle changes. Now that you know the biggest threats to your heart, let's talk about how to protect and strengthen it. The first step is focusing on a heart-friendly diet. Eating more fiber-rich foods, healthy fats, and antioxidant-packed fruits and vegetables. Exercise is just as important. Moving your body daily keeps blood flowing, lowers cholesterol, and strengthens the heart muscle. Managing stress is crucial too. Practicing deep breathing, meditation, or simply spending time in nature helps keep cortisol levels low. And finally, getting consistent, quality sleep allows your heart to repair and function optimally. Conclusion and call to action. Your heart works tirelessly to keep you alive, so it's time to start taking care of it before it's too late. The choices you make today will determine the health of your heart for years to come. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Share it with your friends and family, and drop a comment below with one heart-healthy habit you're committing to today. And of course, subscribe to the Alpha Health for more science-backed health tips to help you live your best life. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.